G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just on site today. Today we're doing a clean and seal on some Pebble Creek driveway. A lot of people, because it's time consuming with the sealing, if you're using solvent based and things like that, they want the same day clean and seal. We're using a water-based sealant on this one. This is a commercial product, ProSeal 896. So we've pre-treated the driveway, got some degreases down there also, but about to run the floor cleaner over it, get it nice and clean, a really thorough wash down, and then applying the sealant straight away. Thank you. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.